After 5 successful Kickstarter campaigns, we want to honor our Dutch heritage. Meet the Tasman, also available in red. This is the Dutch oven we created together with our 20,000 backers, and we added a cast iron grill to go with it. The best part? It's made out of cars. Say what? Yes, the Tasman is made from recycled cast iron, strong as ever and an incredible all-rounder. Let's go from cars to cast iron. It's ready to be used every day for every dish and built to last for generations. The Tasman can be used on all heat sources, and all for a fair price. As always, we asked our 20,000 crowd cookware backers for input. We've tested prototypes at backer parties, and we invited you to test it too. Right, guys?
Lambe!
And compliments in my other crowd cookware.
Look at that!
Isn't that amazing?
I'm in. That was my very first thought.
I genuinely love the product. I love the brand.
The Tasman is made from recycled materials. We're producing the best high-quality pan, and it's made with 3 layers of premium enamel to prevent chipping, scratching, and cracking. Enameled cast iron cookware retains heat and ensures even heat distribution across the pan.
The Dutch oven's been amazing because it distributes the heat,
creating a perfect non-stick cooking experience.
I did like a 1-pot macaroni and cheese, because cheese, will tend to stick to everything. And it did really well with that too.
The studs on our traditional lid are there specifically so that the drops of condensation during cooking drip evenly across the pan. The Tasman is an all-rounder and incredibly easy to clean.
My husband cleans up afterwards and he said it was easy to clean.
This is how we create chef-grade cookware together and for a fair price. Let's kickstart the Tasman now, a reinvented classic cast iron Dutch oven and grill made from recycled materials. This is our way of making an impact.
Yes, we can!
Take care.